Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2021 Toyota Venza. Right now it's doing the engine oil change. The filter sitting on the side of the oil pan here. So, I'm gonna break it loose first. There you go. Let it drain. Everything is drained out on the oil filter housing. For the new filter, I put a little bit of oil on the gasket here, and then just go ahead and put it back. Just hand tighten. And that's it. I'm gonna wipe the spot. Now I'm gonna drain out my oil from the drain bolt. For the drain bolt, it's a 14mm bolt. We gotta change out the washer after. Come on. There you go. Let it drain. Put in the new washer. There you go. I'm gonna tighten it. So I'm gonna tighten it where it gets tight. So this is tight, can't pull it no more. I'm gonna give it a little snug. That's it. And then just wipe the spot. Put back the engine cover if you guys have one. For the engine oil, this one uses the 020, so I'm using 020 full synthetic. I'm gonna put in 5 quarts and then check it. So I put in 5 quarts already. Started the car, turn it off. I'm gonna check the dipstick. It's right on the high mark. Oh, right on the high mark. So this is perfect. Exactly 5 quarts right there. So right now I'm gonna key on and reset the engine oil life. I'm gonna have key on using these buttons right here. Toggle to the menu, go back. So you're gonna scroll on the side here. You can see, so on the side you're gonna scroll down to setting. This is in Spanish. You're gonna scroll over to vehicle setting, press and hold OK, and then you're gonna go down to maintenance, reprogram right there, reset, schedule, reschedule. Yes, this is in Spanish, so that's been reset. And then you're gonna go down to oil change, aceite right there, and reset it. Yes, there you go. That's it, complete. I'm gonna turn off the car. I'm gonna turn it back on. There you go. That's it. I'm gonna show it to you guys again. You guys can see it's been reset to the manufacturer oil change date. But you don't really drive 10,000 miles, but they set it at 10,000. But you change it. You change the oil every 5,000 miles, and then you reset it. So I'm gonna show you again. So you're gonna go to the side right here, scroll down to setting, and then you're gonna scroll over to vehicle info right there. You're gonna scroll down to maintenance, reschedule, and then maintenance oil change. Reset them both. You should be good. So that is it to this video, guys. So just a oil change on the Toyota Venza. So you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.